Okay, wir sind hier in einem Restaurant Kishimonogatari und ja, hier können wir also selbst unsere Sachen fryen. Wir bekommen hier roh an der Theke so Stäbchen mit Sachen wie Fleisch, ein bisschen Gemüse und dergleichen. Tun die dann hier rein. Vorher werden sie hier in die Soße gedippt. Seki zeigt es mal. Seki is going to show it. So first he dips it into that sauce. And then he's going to start to fry it in here.
And then just put it.
Alright, so over there at the entrance there's the bar. There's also a drink bar where you find all kind of stuff. So he does it again with his meat. Okay, I'm also going to try it. Ah, okay, I made a mess as usual.
It's okay. We always make a mess. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't have to clean it.
Yeah, I'm not being able. I'm not able to talk anymore. I'm not able to do multitasking like.
And this one's the soft bone.
Soft bone.
Yeah.
That's how it looks raw. So I'm also going to put in my others. So I'm going to put away the camera for a second and I'll show you the result later.
And then this one's季節のソース. Cream cheese and herb, I thought.
Oh, this looks good.
Oh, see?
So here we have amaguchi, karaguchi, ponzu.
Amaguchi, daikon oroshi, 季節のソース.
季節は秋ですね。
秋、そうだね。
Okay, yeah, this is the result of the first things we just fried. I'm a little bit lousy, like this isn't fried with the nice crusty thing around it at all. It got off somewhere. Well then, we're going to start, so itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. Just be careful with this one.
Yeah.
Come over.
So, gerade eben hatten wir ein kleines Erdbeben gehabt. Man sieht hier noch, wie die Decke noch wackelt. Deswegen einige Leute haben sich hier hingehockt. Es war ein recht großes. You look up information about it?
Yeah. That's what it said.
Might be a 4 or 5 one, right?
Maybe like around 4.
Und das little after. Und man spürt. Ich fühle mich noch sehr unsicher.
Okay, okay. It's over. We're safe now.
Okay, that was actually the first, not the first one, but the first in this exchange here. I
久々に大きい地震経験したわ。It's like, it's so late.
Ja, mitten also hier beim Lunch, right at our lunch, we were interrupted by a little earthquake.
Okay, yeah, it's 4 here.
4.
Yeah. There was a 5 one in the north, but because it's a little bit far from here, it was 4.
It was 4, okay.
Yeah.
So the epicenter was like 1-2 prefectures away to the north.
Yeah, 2 prefectures north and Tochigi. Yeah, we're lucky.
Okay, also es gab ein 5er-Stufe Erdbeben nördlich von hier. Es kam mit Stufe 4 hier in Tokio, bei uns in Odaiba an. Hat Seki gerade eben nachgeschaut. Gut, davon lassen wir uns jetzt aber nicht weiter stören. Hier ist alles schon wieder zum Alltag zurückgekehrt, auch wenn es immer noch ein bisschen Lampe und das Notausgangsschild wackelt. Wir werden uns aber weiter essen. Bis dann, ciao. Yeah. So we're still eating, and yeah, this is what it looks like. New things fried and being fried in there, and this is what we're already done. This is, yeah, I've got me some more sauces, and well, it's very good. It's very tasty. It was around 1,600 yen or so for an all-you-can-eat, which includes like ice cream, tea, drink, and the salad bar, and some sweets we can take later. So I think it's a fair price. It's a little bit expensive, but still fair. So it's very great. So thanks for the osusume of this place.
Yeah. I'm glad we are here now.
Yeah, might be probably last chance before I go back in a few days back to Germany. And it's always nice to make new experiences because I hadn't done something like this before. So thank you very much. Because I haven't filmed it from outside earlier.